Throughout history, warriors have often been defined by their prowess in battle and their willingness to fight. But what if true strength lies not only in confrontation, but also in the courage to heal? Today, we challenge the age-old myth that warriors must always be at war. Instead, we invite you to explore the idea that choosing to heal, whether from physical wounds, emotional scars, or generational trauma, can be a radical and powerful act. By redefining what it means to be strong, we open the door to new possibilities for growth, resilience, and transformation. General Nala stands as a formidable figure, renowned for her unwavering presence on the battlefield. She believes that true value is measured by one's ability to withstand pain and endure hardship. Each scar she bears is a testament to her resilience and commitment, refusing to retreat even when injuries mount. Her philosophy shapes not only her actions, but also inspires those who fight alongside her. For Nala, leaving the field is never an option. Perseverance in the face of adversity defines her legacy. General Zama stands apart from many of his peers. Rather than embracing constant aggression, he practices what is known as the warrior's pause, a deliberate moment to seek healing and restoration. This approach allows him to recharge both physically and mentally, ensuring he remains effective in the long run. While some view his methods as a sign of weakness or softness, Zama understands the deeper strength that comes from self-care. His commitment to balance challenges traditional notions of toughness, demonstrating that true resilience often requires moments of rest and reflection. Tension rises as Nala confronts Zama about her frequent pauses, questioning her ability to keep up. However, beneath Nala's sharp words lies a vulnerability she struggles to hide. Her own unresolved pain begins to surface, subtly eroding the confidence she projects. As the conflict unfolds, it becomes clear that both women are wrestling with more than just each other. The confrontation exposes not only their differences, but also the hidden struggles that shape their actions. In this moment, the line between critic and criticized blurs, revealing the complexity of their relationship. Zama enters the battlefield once more, her strength and determination visibly renewed. She moves with confidence, each action reflecting the lessons learned from past struggles. In contrast, Nala's old wounds, long ignored, begin to take their toll. As the confrontation intensifies, these neglected scars slow her down, undermining her once formidable presence. Ultimately, it is this vulnerability that leads to Nala's defeat, highlighting the importance of resilience and self-care in the face of adversity. In the end, Zama's triumph reveals a deeper truth about strength. Rather than relying solely on unyielding endurance, Zama shows that genuine power comes from the ability to heal and to be open. By embracing vulnerability and focusing on restoration, Zama overcomes challenges that brute force alone could not conquer. This resolution challenges traditional notions of strength, suggesting that resilience is most profound when it includes compassion and self-renewal. Through Zama's example, the fable encourages us to reconsider what it truly means to be strong. In many cultures, particularly within Black communities, there exists a powerful expectation to always remain strong, no matter the circumstances. This cultural narrative often celebrates resilience and endurance, viewing them as essential traits for survival and success. However, the pressure to constantly appear unbreakable can take a significant emotional and mental toll. Perpetual endurance is not only exhausting but also unsustainable, as it leaves little room for vulnerability or seeking support. Over time, this expectation can lead to feelings of isolation and burnout. Recognizing the limits of strength and allowing space for rest and vulnerability is crucial for true well-being and community health. Endurance and restoration are two distinct yet interconnected concepts when it comes to our well-being. Endurance involves pushing through challenges, maintaining effort despite fatigue or adversity. Restoration, on the other hand, is about allowing ourselves the time and space to recover, heal, and regain strength. Recognizing the need for both is essential for a balanced life. It's important to affirm that repair, whether physical or mental, is not only necessary but also deeply worthwhile. Taking steps to restore ourselves is a sign of strength, not weakness, and is fundamental to long-term health and resilience. The first actionable step is to schedule a sacred vulnerability check-in with someone you trust. This intentional conversation creates a safe space to share your feelings and experiences, helping to break the isolation that often accompanies trauma. By reaching out, you invite connection and support, which are essential for healing. Choose a time and setting where both you and your trusted person can be fully present. Remember, vulnerability is a strength, and taking this step can be a powerful move toward recovery. Even a brief, honest exchange can make a significant difference in how you process and move forward from difficult experiences. The second actionable step involves conducting an armor inventory. This means taking a moment to recognize the emotional wounds and defenses you may have built up over time. Often these feelings are ignored or pushed aside, but acknowledging them is crucial for personal growth. By identifying areas where you feel hurt or guarded, you begin to understand the impact these experiences have on your behavior and relationships. This honest self-reflection is the first step toward healing, allowing you to move forward with greater awareness and compassion for yourself. Remember, facing these emotions is not a sign of weakness, but a courageous act of self-care. Prioritizing rest and pleasure is essential for maintaining overall well-being. Instead of constantly focusing on productivity and performance, it's important to recognize the value of downtime and activities that bring joy. Incorporating a personal mantra, such as, "I am worthy of rest," can serve as a powerful reminder to honor your own needs. This simple practice helps shift your mindset away from guilt or pressure, reinforcing the importance of self-care. By making rest and pleasure a priority, you create space for renewal and resilience in your daily life. As you continue on your journey, remember that healing requires courage, and rest is a sign of strength, not weakness. Embrace both with an open heart, knowing that each step forward is a victory in itself. Allow yourself the grace to pause when needed, and the determination to move ahead when you are ready. If these words have brought you comfort or insight, consider sharing them with someone who might need a gentle reminder. Together, we can create a ripple of support and understanding, helping others find their own path to healing and renewal. As we reach the end of our journey together, remember this simple mantra: stay grounded, stay gold. Let it serve as a gentle reminder to remain true to yourself, even as you pursue growth and new experiences. Staying grounded helps you navigate challenges with resilience, while staying gold encourages you to shine with authenticity and kindness. Carry this affirmation with you, allowing it to inspire balance and positivity in your daily life.